Okay, so I look kind of gross today. Wait, should I take my hair down? I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. I'm not popular enough on YouTube to be unboxing PR packages, but I did want to do an unboxing, and we ordered quite a bit of stuff from the September 21 Days of Beauty. I think these are all the boxes. If not, then I'll unbox the rest of them later, but let's go ahead and get into it. So this, I don't know what's in each one. Okay, the first thing I actually went to the store and bought, which is the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. This was just a repurchase for me because I love this mascara so much and it went back on sale. I originally bought the first one in the 21 Days of Beauty, and I was so excited when I saw that one. Wow. Ow. So if you guys watched my live stream, I deleted it because it was kind of cringy. But if you watched my live stream, you'll know that I already opened one of the things, which is actually what's in here. I got an O for highlighter in the shade Pillow Talk. I'm like super excited about this. And the last one that I got was Shattered. So I hope this one's not shattered. That would be depressing if I had to like send it back again. Yeah, oh my gosh. Okay. So this is the highlighter. I got it in the shade Pillow Talk, and I was like really excited to get this. Let me get the shattered one and just show you, because it was like really depressing, but they were like, customer service was like so nice, and they just like got me a new one really fast, and it was like so sweet. So this is the shattered one. I'll try and like come close and show you. So this is the one I just got, all nice and beautiful, and this is the shattered one. But I can still use the product from the shattered one, which is like kind of cool because I just got like a double whammy. And like I want to know how it's shattered, because like look at all this. I'm like, what? And it has bubble wrap too. Okay, the next package that I'm gonna do is this one. What is this one? I feel like there's something else. What is? Oh yeah. Okay. So I think we did get more than just these. My mom and I got the same one. This is the Clarisonic cleansing brush head. This is the like acne one. It's like green. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. That is like, it's like really densely packed but very soft. So if you watched my favorites video, you know that I love my Clarisonic, and I actually talked my mom into getting one, and it was time for both of us to have like a brush head change, and they were on sale, so we got these as well. Okay, this one is like really heavy. Not like really, it's 2 pounds. Yes, okay, I remember. So this isn't all of our packages, there's another one. We got the, we both got this one, my mom and I. We got the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder, and just the original one, because my shade is like so drastic from like winter to summer that it's kind of crazy. Oops. Oh my gosh, this is huge. I think I've heard good things about this.
Here's what I found on the web. The Does Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder have flashback?
Like Siri just like stopped really answering my questions though. It's fine. But we got this, and then on that same day they were having a self-tan on sale, which was this St. Tropez gradual tan, like tinted tan thing. And I've been wanting to try this like brand of tanning products for a while, because if you can't tell, I'm like really pale. This is like me with a tan. This is like pretty big though. I didn't think it would be this big. Oh, we got samples. Open me. Your free samples are inside. Cool. So, I've been wanting to try it. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, it smells really good. You know how like fake tan can like smell really gross? That smells good though. And then we also ordered other stuff, but it hasn't came yet. I'm sure it'll come by like tomorrow or the next day, so I'll film that and like add it on to this. Let's check my samples. So, first thing is Clinique Liquid Facial Soap in Mild, and this was like a cloth. Doesn't feel like liquid. But I'm allergic to Clinique, so. And then Bliss Makeup Melt Dry Wet Gentle Jelly Cleanser with Rose Flower. That feels really nice. I'm like gonna try that one. Like, I think I have like one more thing coming, so I'll like film that. So that's why my like shirt and like face will probably be different. yeah, if you guys like unboxings, like if I order stuff online, I can just like wait to unbox it for you guys if you like want me to do that. But like also companies, if you want to send me stuff, I would be more than happy to do that. I really want to get sponsored by Glasses USA because these are my first prescription glasses. I just got them today, and I've been watching like a bunch of videos for like how to do my makeup with them because I've never had glasses before, so I'm like, you know, gonna be learning and stuff. And so I thought it'd be like so much fun if like I got like different glasses on Glasses USA. Glasses USA, you should sponsor me. But seriously, like one day I want to get to a growth point on my channel where I do have a relationship with companies and like can do real unboxings. But for now, I think it's fun to do like the 21 days of beauty thing. So yeah, let me know if you guys liked this or not. I don't know. I just thought it'd be like fun to film. Okay guys, so this is day 2 of the unboxing. We got the other package. One of these is my mom's and one of them is mine. Okay, yes, this one's mine. Let's see, I got this shade which looks orange, dang it. My mom got truffle. I want it to be brown, but let's see. So I got the Dose of Colors liquid matte lipstick. I don't know. This is such pretty packaging, but I don't know about the color. It's a little bit of an orangey. My mom got the shade Truffle, which is a brown. This is actually the one I almost ordered, and I wish I would have ordered that one. But these are the two colors side by side. It looked so brown online. It smells amazing. It looks so bad. I think I may have to return that. This one, and this is what it looks like on my lips, and it's just way too orange. I mean, this would look pretty on somebody with a darker skin tone, but it just doesn't look good on my complexion. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing haul. I really am excited to try everything that I got. I've actually already tried the Ofra highlighter, but I only tried the broken one. I can do, well, not a full face because I don't have everything, but I can do a video trying all these products if you want. I've already tried this one, but I love it, so I would be happy to do a video with it. Okay, so that is everything that I got, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave. If you want to see more from me, I post every Sunday and Friday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one.